All right, you had asked about questions 2 and 4 on this sheet. So I'm gonna walk you through it. Here's one way to do it. There are more than one way to do it, or there is more than one way to do it. But here's one way to do this problem. We're going to start with the parentheses, and I'm going to shade B and C. I'm going to shade where they overlap. So this is the intersection of B and C. I'm going to shade where they overlap. That would be right there. That's where circles B and C overlap. Now I need to take it a step further. I need to say, okay, A minus B intersection with C. So that's saying, what's in A, what's in this circle here, but not the intersection of B and C? Okay, well, this is the intersection, or this is A. That's all of A right there. But I'm going to take out, I'm going to subtract anything in the intersection of B and C. So this right here, the part I'm subtracting right there, that's not in A at all. So it has to be in A. It has to be in A. So this part right here, that was not in A. So it's what's in A, but not where B and C intersect. Well, B and C intersect right here. That little triangle piece-ish thing right there, that's a part of A, but we had to take it out because it's where B and C overlap. So it ended up being all this in here, but not that little wedge. And that's what you see in the answer key as well. Another way you could have done it is you could have drawn like a dot in all the different units, all the different areas. So there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7 spots. And you could ask, it's in A, but not B and C. Is this dot in A? No. So I erase it. Is this dot in A? No. Is this dot in A? No. Okay. This dot is in A, and it's not in the spot where B and C intersect. So everything in this region here is good to go. This dot is in A. It's inside the A circle, but not in B and C. How? No, it is in the intersection of B and C. So even though it is in A, it didn't quite work for being not in B and C. That's another way to do it. If that didn't make sense, or if you don't do it that way, but that's another way that you could find the same answer. 4 is very similar. I'm going to shade B or C. I'm going to shade the union, all of B and all of C. Not just where they overlap, but all of B and all of C. Okay? And I'm doing it lightly because I'm going to be erasing, I bet. Now I'm asking, what's in A, but not where B and C are? So it has to be in A, but it can't be in B or C. So it can't be in this region here. Well, this is all in A right there. I guess this is all A. That's A. All that's A. Well, but I have to erase. It can't be. I have to subtract. I have to take out wherever B and C are put together. So it can't be in B, can't be in C. So there's your all of A. This is where B and C are put together. This is in B or C. So even though this little spot here was in A, we had to take out any place where it was the union of B and C. Well, that region there was all in the union of B and C, so we had to take that out. We had to subtract it. Hopefully that helped. I know it's a bit confusing. I know it's a lot to take in, but hopefully that helped a little bit on trying to figure out where do I shade and where do I erase. And those are the two solutions.